So I'm just going to make a small version of the blanket. You can start, what I would suggest is just do chains and work out how long you want your scarf by making a trial of about 20 chains. So I'm not really counting, so let me see here. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then one extra because we're doing single crochets. So now I'm going to do it, I'm going to go right through to the bottom so that there's 2 strands. And by doing that, actually, you can go to the back loop, which is what you're going to be doing. So there's the V, and then you just go back to the sort of the bump at the back. That's 2. See that little bump at the back there? There's the V, and if you turn it over, there's the bump. Go into that. So I'm just going to keep doing that. I'm actually sitting in our apartment in Torquay, and I've got my phone resting on our breakfast cereal and I'm hoping that this will turn out okay. So I'm still going. I'll just get a bit more wool. Alright, I'm back again here. And so I'm going in through the bump at the back. There. It is a bit tricky, but it'll look better at the end because it'll look like it's going through the back loop. Okay, so I've got to the end of the 20 chains and I'm going to do one chain, turn my work, and then just go all the way back through the back loop only to do single crochets. So do you see there's the V? There's where we would normally go in. We're going to go through the back loop, and that's it. That's the only stitch that you need to learn, and you probably will only need 10 rows, maybe 11. And what I suggest is if you haven't got any chunky wool, just mix 2 8-plies together. So you'll end up with 16 ply, and then use a size 8, a 7 or 8 big hook, and so this will come up much bigger and chunkier, and so it'll knit up really quickly until you've got your scarf. Now the way to work out how many chains, I'll show you now. I'm just going to finish this row. So I suggest don't do it with your chains. Make 20 chains and then do 2 rows of single crochets in the pattern that you want, which is there. That's what it'll look like, but bigger and chunkier and really, really nice for a scarf. Now, I happen to have my husband's scarf here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, if I wanted to make one this length, I would just use my 20 chain example to work out how many chains I need. Now it's going to sound like a lot, and it is a lot, but remember that you're only going to be doing 10 or 11 rows. So let me just get this in the camera. So there's one. Just want to make sure you can see what I'm doing. Just move that a bit. Hopefully, oh, you can see the cereal now. Never mind. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so it's about 13. So 13 times 20 is 260 chains you're going to need for that particular size. So just pick a scarf that you like the length of and work it out that way. It's easier than even measuring it. If you've just got it all made up, just run it along. And 260 sounds about right to me. The only problem is that I'm showing you with a smaller one. So when you make it up in double the thickness, so 2 balls of wool together to be 16 ply, and use your bigger size hook, which would be I've only got a 5 there. I use a 7 or an 8. So make that up and then measure it up against your scarf, and it probably won't be anywhere near 260. It'll probably be more like, I don't even want to guess, but maybe 190 or something like that. It won't be as big because the stitches are all going to be bigger. So let me know how you go. I'll have a go at making a proper video for you when I get back with bigger hooks and thicker wool, but right now I haven't got all the equipment that I usually use with me on my holiday. Okay, hope that helps. See ya.